and gentlemen, I need to make this video on the Pixel 7 right now because this is super important. I've made a video on the audio quality in the past, but like I thought I'd revisit this. Guys, it boggles my mind how bad the speaker quality is on the Pixel 7. And I know it's a budget Android phone, and I know I've made so many videos saying like this phone's amazing, but this, like, I can't get over how tinny this audio is. And like, you're never gonna hear it perfectly through my video, obviously, but I'm just noticing like there's like literally there's like next to no bass coming out the bottom, which is where most of the bass should be coming out in a stereo phone, sort of stereo audio setup in a smartphone. Like it should mostly be like treble highs coming out of the earpiece with a little bass, like not none, and then most of the bass coming out the bottom, so you get a nice balanced sound. Here I'm noticing it's like barely any bass here, and then treble is like really, really loud, and like it's just so tinny coming out of the earpiece. And the vocals aren't even clear, which is kind of mind-boggling as well. But like I don't want to get copyright strike, but like I just played like a quick clip right there. It's like I can't understand like how tinny and distant the sound. The only way to fix this, which was other than going to mono audio and changing that in like accessibility settings, I think it is. Not accessibility, I'm not even sure. Go check out my last video to check out where that came from. Is like you need to go to adaptive sound right here. This is the only way that I found to like fix this issue. Literally, you have to turn this on or else your speaker quality is gonna sound like a pile of garbage. Make sure to turn this on, and then if we go to the same thing I was just playing. Now, it's not perfect, but it's slightly better and it sounds a little louder and a little more fuller. The best way I can describe this adaptive sound feature is it's sort of, this is a really big stretch here, it's sort of like Dolby Atmos in a way. Like when you turn on Dolby Atmos on a Samsung phone, it sounds a little louder, a little fuller, but you do notice like there's not that much of an improvement. Like I can tell like there's somewhat a drop in bass because the sound's it's not as focused, it's like more dispersed. Anyway, that's what I'm picking up on this one, is like it has those sort of like Dolby Atmos effects-ish, but not really Dolby Atmos. So yeah, Pixel 7, I really wish this phone had good speakers. It would make it an absolute beast of a smartphone. Like this would be hands down my biggest recommendation of a smartphone if this thing just had decent speaker quality, because it could turn into a content viewing machine or consumption machine, if that makes sense. Anyway, this video has been dragged out too long. Go turn on adaptive sound. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. From Scott Dyer. Peace out, everyone. See you guys in the next one. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.